Hey everyone, Jay Sports Cards here. Back another break. Today, going to be opening 3 hanger boxes of the new 2018 Topps Update Baseball. Picked this up at Walmart. 72 cards per hanger box. They're $9.99 each plus tax. Guys can pause that, check out the odds. 2 of these is way better value than the Blaster. The Blaster you get 100 cards plus the manufactured patch card. For 20 bucks with these, you're getting 144 cards for the same price. So now these are kind of a no-brainer in my opinion. But yeah, let's open it up. Let's get to it. 2018 Topps Update Baseball. Look for Juan Soto, Ronald Acuna. There's some good ones in here to get. But hanger box number 1. There we go. These Walmart ones have 2 exclusive 2018 Hall of Famer highlight cards in each hanger. Starting out with Salvador Perez. Tommy, yeah, that guy. I don't know how to pronounce that. Yadier Molina, Mike Moustakas. Get Off My Base, Hosmer and Bellinger. Rookie of Jordan Hicks. Rookie of Tyler Wade. Hector Santiago. Blake Treinen. Kirby Yates. Mitch Haniger. Sean Doolittle. Alex Bregman, All-Star Game. Archie Bradley. Jose Altuve, All-Star Game. Tyler Skaggs. Joey Votto. Jake Odorizzi. Austin Gomber, rookie. Ichiro, that's nice seeing him back in the Mariners uniform. Oh, nice. There he is. Juan Soto. Juan Soto, rookie. Awesome. Sean Rodriguez, JD Martinez, Nick Gardewine, Giancarlo Stanton, Hyunjin Ryu, Tony Kemp, Luis Severino, Joe Musgrove, Erickson Profar, Scott Kingery, rookie debut, rookie, Brad Hand, Ryan Tepera, Eric Lauer, rookie, Clay Buchholz, Christian Yelich, Evan Longoria, Brandon Drury, and now the inserts. Alright. Topps rookie Scott Kingery. International Affair Jose Abreu. Insert. Hall of Fame highlights Jim Thome. As well as Chipper Jones. Chris Bryant. Wait, what is that? Don't know what insert that is. Don't Blink? Yeah, I think Don't Blink, Chris Bryant. Hyunjin Ryu, 83 Topps. Legends in the Making, Clint Frazier, rookie. Legends in the Making, Francisco Mejia, rookie. International Affair Blue Parallel of Julio Urias. And back to the base, we got Cole Hamels, Ilmaro Vargas, Joey Wendell, rookie, Nolan Arenado, Jose Abreu, Craig Kimbrell, Tyler O'Neill, rookie, Joey Lucchesi, rookie, John Hicks, Rajai Davis, Cameron Maybin, rookie combos, Mike Gerber and Grayson Grainer, Todd Frazier, rookie combos, Eric Stout and Trevor Oaks, Tyler Clippard, Kyle Martin, rookie, Sir Anthony Dominguez, rookie, Ronald Acuna, rookie debut, rookie, that's nice, JT Realmuto, Jose Ramirez, Edwin Diaz, Carlos Santana, Danny Farquhar, Paxton Throws No-No, and Ross Stripling. So that was a pretty good one. Got Acuna, rookie debut, rookie Juan Soto. So I'll set those off to the side. Find the Soto here. There he is. So not bad for hanger box number 1. Also got a blue parallel of International Affair Julio Urias. On to the next one. If I can open it. I'm not very good at opening these hanger boxes. Alright, here we go. Probably go a little bit quicker on this one here, on these next two. You guys get the idea of what this year's flagship's all about. Hellickson, Baez, Guerra, Blackman, LeBlanc, Moreland, Green, Happ, Phillips, McKinney, rookie, Yairo Munoz, rookie, Mike Tauchman, rookie, Pablo Sandoval, Mike Trout, All-Star, Mauro Fultinovich, Hernandez. That's a nice one. All-Star game, Ozzie Albies, rookie. Take that. Ledmus Diaz, Shane Bieber, rookie. Cashner, Story, Mesoraco, Yarbrough, rookie. Shin-Soo Choo, Duvall, Guzman, rookie. Scope, that guy. Harper, home run derby. Cousins, rookie. Robertson, Lucroy, Strop, Sean Manaea, no hit. Osuna, Brandon McCarthy, that guy. Reinheimer. Rookie gold of Brent Suter. Gold out of 2018. Contreras, Game Changers. Hideki Matsui, International Affair. Insert. Hall of Fame, Tomey and Guerrero. Don't Blink, Bo Jackson. Oh, nice. 83, Gleyber Torres. That's a nice one. I'll take that. Sweet. That's nice. 83 to hit. JD Martinez and, oh, nice, Juan Soto. Legends in the making rookie. I'll take that. That's awesome. Cool. Matt Kemp. That looks different. I think that Kemp might be a variation. Pretty sure the Kemp's a variation. It has a different code on it than the others, 30 versus 90. So I'm pretty sure that's a Matt Kemp variation. So that's pretty cool. That's awesome. I'll take a variation. Not bad. Pretty sure that Kemp's a variation. So that's cool. Jansen. Gossett rookie. Aguilar. Verlander. Ziegler. Engel. Vasquez. Adams. Rookie combos. Walding and Valentin. Hosmer. Japan's finest Ichiro and Otani. That's a cool one. Stratton rookie. Nelson Cruz. Scherzer All-Star, like that. Austin Meadows rookie. And they've got him already in the Rays uniform. So not bad. Nice. I think it's either Adams or Adames. Not sure. Kelly. Hicks, debut, rookie. Jimenez, Grichuk, Brad Hand, John Lester, Leon, and Franmil Reyes, rookie. So, not bad with this one. Got the Kemp variation, the Legends in the Making Soto rookie, the Torres rookie. So, not bad. On to the last one. Nice little stack of rookies and inserts going here. Alright. Hanger box number 3. A different looking card in it. I don't know. Maybe not. Alright. Last one. Here we go. Pelka rookie. Lyles Springer. Fowler rookie. Mengden rookie. J. Happ. Baez. Walker. Gomes. Martin. Cole. Jesse Biddle rookie. Chirinos rookie. Harvey. Derek Rodriguez rookie. Winkler. Austin Meadows rookie debut rookie. Pirates uni. Vizcaino. Kane. Gonzalez. Got turned again. Cooper rookie. Brent Suter base. Got the goal to him earlier. Soroka rookie. Hoskins rookie. That's a nice one. Home run derby Hoskins. Valencia. Goldschmidt. Segura. Cahill. Ross. Mr. 3000. Albert Pujols. Ozuna. Brian Dozier. Nottingham rookie. Kevin Gossman. Gennett. Machado. Mike Fierce. That's a, oh, there's a rainbow foil in here. Maybe that's what I was seeing. Mike Fierce, gold out of 2018. Freddie Peralta, rookies rookie, insert. Pablo Sandoval, foil, not going to be numbered. Let's see, Chipper Jones, Hall of Fame. Vladimir Guerrero, Hall of Fame. Storybook endings, Sandy Koufax. Oh, nice Ohtani. It's a neat insert. Really nice Ohtani. That's cool. Shohei Ohtani, rookie, 83. That's neat. I got some good names. Tyon Legends in the Making, DeJean Legends in the Making, Happ Blue Legends in the Making. Rookie combos, Conlon and Oswalt. So no autographs or anything or relics in this, but was still a good break. Let's see, Garcia, rookie combos, Blandino and Dixon. Eovaldi, Familia, Jamie Perea. Romero, rookie. Bryce Harper, All-Star Game. Aaron Judge, All-Star Game. Braxton Lee, rookie. Jacob Barnes, rookie. Wilson Ramos. Cishek. Madsen. Oh, nice. Juan Soto, rookie debut, rookie. Very nice. Lockett and Castillo. Zach Cosart. Did we just become best friends? Oh my god. Yup. JD and Betts. That one is hilarious. That is absolutely hilarious. That might be probably my favorite base card in the set. Oh, Charlie Culberson. Valbuena. Banda rookie. Oh, that's a nice one. Albies and Acuna Jr. The future is bright. That's a neat one. Nola. Morrison, Romano, and ending it on Mike Fierce. So, no autographs or relics in this, but this was a nice break. Nice stack of rookies here. Nice little stack. Some inserts, couple of gold parallels out of 2018. Did hit some of the retail blues, so that's pretty cool. The Hall of Fame inserts are really nice. This actually reminds me of, I want to say it's like 99 or 2000, the Topps All-Team or AL Team or whatever insert set that was. They had a similar design to that. Sandoval, foil, gold, Martinez. So, yeah, they're pretty nice. Let's see. International Affair Blue. You see the difference there. Of Urias, Clint Frazier. A couple of 83s here. So actually not bad. And this stack here, which is pretty nice. The Frazier Legends in the Making rookie, Soto rookie, Ohtani 83 rookie, Hoskins Home Run Derby rookie, Matt Kemp Variation, Juan Soto Legends in the Making rookie, Gleyber Torres 83 rookie, Ozzie Albies All-Star Game rookie, Juan Soto base rookie, and Acuna Jr. rookie debut rookie. So hit the names I wanted to hit, so that's pretty awesome. Got some nice ones here. Definitely some good ones to add to my rookie stash. So not too bad. I think it's a pretty good value. Huge stack of cards for $9.99 on each hanger box. So I think it's a better value than the blaster box. But hope you guys enjoyed the break. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next one.